How to reset your Frigidaire ice maker. So if you want to reset it, usually you can turn the ice maker off using the switch or control panel. You can either plug it out as well out of your outlet and then wait about 1 minute, then turn it on again. You could try unplugging the refrigerator or switch of the breaker for 2 to 5 minutes, and of course depending on what kind of model you're using. If you're not using a fridge and just the Frigidaire ice maker like this, then you can do the same thing. Then restore its power. This can restart the system and clears minor faults, and then after resetting, allow several hours for ice production to return. A dedicated reset or reboot button is not really a standard feature on Frigidaire ice makers. Some units may include an internal test button on the ice maker module for technicians to take a look at, but it is not intended for regular use. The proper reset method is to toggle the ice maker off and on or perform a full power cycle. So hopefully this helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.